I thank you po sa experience. I'm so virgin.
Marie. Here.
The sun is coming slowly. I hope these moments
English? Parang
these waves
Si Marie.
hit a little harder. I know they're gonna carry
Santa
me
Claus.
somewhere. Step into the
Santa
open
Claus.
wide. Watch the future come alive. This is our time. Lost in its mind. This is our time. Lost in its mind. This is our time. Hearts.
Mayor, anong pakiramdam na hardcore ka?
Looking for a
Nakapang
light.
Nakablog ka.
Nakabulag ka.
Hello guys, dito na kami sa jump off Mount Cory. Tagal lang kami sa biyahe kasi madaming landslide.
Hoy, hindi, mali. Mali.
Keep us anymore. This is our time. Lost in its mind. This is our time. Lost in its mind. This is our time. Lost in its mind.
All my life I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you all my life. Day or night, oh, it doesn't matter. 'Cause we're forever after you and I. I've waited all my life just to spend all my life with you. Yeah, take your time and take mine too. I've waited all my life with you. Cross my heart, there ain't nothing better than when we're together like we are. I will go anywhere you guide me, long as you're beside me, don't you know? I've waited all my life just to spend all my life with you. And take your time and take mine too. I've waited all my life for you. Come on.
Guys, ito, paakit na kami sa Mount Police at nakaka 2 hours na kami naglalakad. Ang gaganda ng view. At saka pala, kasama ko ulit ang anak. Shout out, John Luis. Okay, control tayo.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the hope and wildest truth. It's all for you. There's a song and it sings in the air. Wonderful the sound, hear it everywhere.
Hello, ito, sa Mount, papunta na kami Mount Police at nasa kalahatian pa lang kami, imagine guys. Akitin pa namin to at papunta kami sa bundok yun. Yun pa aming
Tatahakin.
tatahakin.
You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. And let it
trekking yan?
Purgatory trekking to.
Leave all of the fear you've held on to. It's all for you.
Bakit na kami pero?
It's all for you. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out. And let it take your heart away. You gotta open up your eyes. You gotta open up and take a breath and let the light out.
Sabi,
Ito, nagsisisi na B. Survivor. Si Mayor kaya niya. Hindi na lang kaya gumamit nito.
These days, they fill with color. They're sewn together, and now they're holding us. This place, like a painted vision.
or bakit ngayon lang naayos
Our
yung
intuition gives us hope of what's to come. We are running free. We are running free. We are running free. There's a rush as we leave the shadows, as we shake these shadows and find the morning sun. These lungs holding expectations and silent declarations, an island in the flood.
Oh, anong masasabi mo na yung sa climb na to, Be?
Bes, ito yung ano.
Explain mo, Be. Ano yung kumbaga, ano yung kakaiba sa climb na to?
Maghabol ako ng
maling tao ba yan?
sea of clouds, pero wala eh.
Ito yung nakita mo.
Ito yung nakita ko.
Parang love life best, no?
Ay! Ay, walang clearing. Walang clearing.
Tayo pwede.
Gusto naman yung clearing na na ini-expect natin.
Okay lang, sanay na ako.
Si Mac, hindi naman malungkot si Mac.
May tanong si Mac.
Ano yun?
Ano daw ibig sabihin ng clearing? Dali na, sabihin mo yan.
Ano yun?
Yung pag-asa ko sa kanya parang ganito. Tignan nyo. Malabo.
Why can't it be? Why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us?
Ate Bernsap!
Doon maganda oh.
Saan? Masasabi mo, wala kang kainom kagabi.
Wala ka, hindi ka kasama.
Maraming salamat sa... Ano ba? Maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Kahit magko-collapse na, pero survivor ang po.
Kasama ka pa ba next time?
Opo, basta ano lang ulit, minor
lang.
Bahala na po pag yung major, pag-iisipan ko po muna ng 100 times.
Steven, kumusta yung climb?
Masaya po.
Ay, hala, teka, blurred. Ulit.
Masaya naman po.
May babatiin ka ba?
Wala.
Kanina pa siya, bes. Free na pa tayo.
Anniversary ng Bakal Mountaineer! Nakulayan din ang drawing! Team Marie! We survive Mount Police!
Five, six,
Yan na.
luhod.
7, 8.
Mount Police.
Ulit! Ah, Team Marie, we survive Mount Police. Ganun. Okay. Okay.
Video!
Happy, ano pala, 11th anniversary. Okay. Video, Ben? 1, 2, 3, go. Shh, quiet.
Hi guys! Andito na kami sa Mount Police.
Hindi pa. Jump off pa lang.
Ano ba?
Oh my God! Thank you po.
Okay, thank you din.